Hi everybody, this is Jazz, aka Trend Trader, for you. Once again, I'm going to be putting out a quick video about the few of the trades that I called today prior to the move happened. Again, this is 8/18/2014, and I'm here at my desk and calling out trades as I see them. Anyways, okay, so let's get started. I called this NLNK. I said watch for reversal, and this was, where did I call? I said watching for a reversal. Then I called NLNK long above 2850 with stop below 2823. Okay, so which was right around here, 2850 with stop below 2823. This went from 2850 all the way to 2923. You had more than a 70 cents of a run here. Based on the risk reward, you have multiple chances to pull this trade out. And actually, one of the guy actually emailed me back. He's like, that worked out great, but it actually went down fast too. Now remember, as a day trader, you need to book your profits as it goes up. If not, you need to book your profits at break even. Okay, I try to put out a trade where you can break even as soon as possible. Remember, when I put out a trade, I want to be proven wrong right away, or it needs to show me that there is a strength in there for it to work. Okay. All right. The next trade was, uh, where was it? Let's excuse me. Okay, so the next trade was Kate, Kate long above 32 with a stop below 31.86. Okay, and I said if it puts a lower low, puts in, cancel this trade. Okay, so 32 with stop above stop below 31.86. Kate was right around 31.86. I said 32, which is right around here. And look at my risk rate. My risk on here is basically this much. Giving you this much of a risk reward ratio from the get-go, this gave more than enough as far as the risk reward ratio, and you had many chances to pull it out. Or the best thing to do is pull some out as it goes up, and let's maybe 25%, 30% of it, let it run. Okay, look what's this giving you right now, 30 to 35 for a 14 cents of a risk. It's giving you about 35 cents right now. Okay, and the next one was then I called out UGAZ flagging long above this, which this actually never triggered because it created a low, and I'll show you. The long above 14, it was, I think it was right above this. I said long above this, which never triggered, so this was canceled. Once it breaks this, where I called the trade, once it breaks that low, there is no trade. Okay. And the next one I called was TGT, I believe. And I'm going as I'm telling people, take some off as LNK. And then it was TGT. Kate actually gave good risk reward right away. Okay, I said TGT break above 58.20. What actually I called this trade out to. I want to see, where was it? Okay, right here. TGT long above 58.20 with a stop below 58.05. Guys, look at it. About 15 cents of a risk, right? TGT 58.20, right? 58.20. Was right around 58.20. Yeah, right above this. It was basing. I said long above 58.20 with the stop. I said stop below this, or you could use a stop below this. Based on your position size, you can use any stop you want. And look, guys, again, it's giving a really nice risk reward. It gave right here. You wanted to let the stock run. That's totally up to you. But 58.20 giving you 58.60, you're still not stopped out of there. And sorry about this SMAs. I use this for a daily. This is 20, 50, and 200. But I just figure I put the short in 3 minute. But I do not look at these SMAs other than the daily time frame. Okay. So the next trade that I called was KNDI, which is probably one of the best trades that I call. KNDI long above 1863 with a stop 1828, wide stop. And I'm just pointing this out again. I did not take this trade. Yes, I admit, as I typed it out, I did not take this trade. KNDI long above 1863. Sorry, that was a phone call coming. KNDI. And sorry about the noises, guys. It's I have a 2-year-old that's just eating some fresh popcorn that my wife made, and she wasn't kind enough to bring it up here. But hey, that's fine. I guess I get paid for staying all the time up here, right? Anyways, guys, 1863, right? 1863. I called long above this, right here, and I said put your stop below 1828. Again, a reason why I didn't take it, it was wide of a loss, but again, I'm in human. I should what I should have done. It was a great setup. I should have went in with a less of a position size that I usually do by keeping the loss as same. But it's just I had 3 great trades and I was like, okay, I'm okay. And it's one of those things where you want to take a trade, but you're like, okay, there's some other stuff to do. So I just kind of let this trade go. But look, guys, 1863, 1828, never stopped out. Look how far it went right away. Give you a really good, nice impulse move. Came down, never stopped out, and made another higher high. 1916. That's a really good a 63 15, about a 60 cents of a profit, and that's as a day trader, the as soon as you can have a break even stop, I call that a winning trade. Because after that, what you're doing, you're playing literally with the house money, right? You're just letting your stop, you keep moving the stop and keep on taking profits, or the way everybody acts differently. One of the guys said, I'm gonna let this run. I'm like, if that works for you, that's fine. I just don't like to sit during the lunchtime when the price is going around like this, whole half an hour and 45 minutes. It's just not me. I want to be in it, be out. Okay, excuse me, sorry again. She's just my little daughter Simriti, just too excited. Anyways, okay, so next trade, I also called CCE, which was never triggered. Where was it? CCE long above 47.74. CCE, Coca-Cola, 47.74, right? It was never triggered and never came where I wanted to come. And remember, when I try to call these trades, I want to be proven right fast, or I want to be even not even close by. So I put look higher. I just put my alerts there and just let it work. Okay, I do not chase the stocks. I let the alerts work for me. And I might have said this was a slow mover too. Let me see if I said somewhere CC. Yeah, slow mover, right? And look how it's moving. It's just not one of those stops. And I actually called out a ANGI, which is still not stopped out, but it was a slow mover. I said it from the get-go. It's a slow mover. Be careful if you want to take stock. I mean, look at that. There's no volume at all. I was hoping for this to be one of those big moves, making a higher highs and higher lows, but it just didn't happen. But guys, if you can point me out if there was a one stop out trade or where you didn't have a chance to break even, let me know. And again, I'm just trying to put this trade out there so people can see and learn from them. If you take them, they're good for you. If you don't take them, or if you get stopped out, that's your account, and you need to manage it the right way. How far you want to let it run. I got a few emails where people said, okay, you know what, this worked out great, and again, I'm trying to do this as much as I can, but you have to think about it. I'm calling out trades. Sometimes I'm missing the trades, but in order for me to keep going, I just wanted to show you guys this. I've created this tips section, okay, and if you're happy with everyday free idea service and would like to contribute or share your part of winnings, please tip us to keep my motivation up and help pay technological cost. And it's just not me working behind it. It's the guy who does the whole websiting. It's the guy who does the advertising. So for me to keep going like this, I would appreciate if you guys take my calls. Hey, you know what, let me share my joy with you. Let me share a little bit of a part of my winnings, and be happy to if you can donate some out. If you click on this, it actually takes you to the uh, donate page, and there you can actually put in whatever amount. I actually got a little bit of it today, but that's what's gonna keep me going. And and eventually I'm trying to work up on something big, but it's not in a material yet. But anyways, you guys take care, and hope you guys like these trades, and keep on watching them. And the only trade I have is still going is my target. It's just reason why I like it from the daily, and I like it as far as the fundamentally, and I'm just in it for a little bit of position. And if it's keep giving me profits, it's good. And the kit was another one I was looking at, making higher highs and higher lows. I'll see. We're in the last hour, so I'll see how that works out. And C's is I'm looking at the C's again. Might be giving up a some kind of reversal. I'm trying to see. But I called it out. We're waiting for the reversal into the gap fill. I'm waiting for it to come down here. If he gives me some kind of reversal, I might go ahead and take it. Anyways, thank you, and be make sure to watch the SPY weekly analysis video that I put out. I got a lot of hits on it, and it's definitely gonna help you understand the big picture of the market. Okay, take care, bye.